Installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. We'll begin on the driver's side, in the trunk hood. Begin by using your trim puller tool to remove 2 of the clips holding in the trunk liner. First, pop out the inner ring, and then pull out the clip. Peel back the liner. Remove the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull the incandescent bulb out to remove it. Install the new LED bulb by pushing it into the housing. Adjust the bulb if needed so the LED chips will point out at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions. Plug the wire connector from the bulb into the socket. Replace the liner and the 2 clips. Insert the clip and then push in the middle ring to lock it. We'll now do the passenger side. Use your trim puller tool to pry out the trunk handle. Now peel back the trunk liner and repeat the same steps as the driver's side. Turn the socket counterclockwise, push the LED into the housing, and plug in the wire connector to the socket. Replace the liner and the trunk handle, and then replace the 2 clips you had removed. Here is a comparison of the incandescent bulb and the Ayla lighting LED. The LED measures almost 5 times brighter than the original bulb. The new LED reverse lights will also make the picture on the backup camera much clearer. These new bulbs are much brighter and safer.